Hi everyone. This is quite a simple little point, but it's an important one. When we're doing traffic light crossroads and turning right in particular, sometimes you'll find that too many people force their way into the middle of the junction without being able to clear. And this is what we're going to have a look at today. So this is the situation that we're going to deal with. Notice, normal set of traffic lights turning right at a crossroad, and there's a few cars in front of us doing the turn right also. What do you think you should do with this situation? Now you've gone past the line, what should we do? What do you think you should have done? Yeah, we're now a little bit in no man's land if that blue car doesn't clear quickly. So we've had to gamble a little bit here, and we shouldn't do. Alright, don't feel forced on by people. You sort of knew what to do, but you didn't quite go through with it. Make sense? We've got to be quite quick to clear if the car's move and there's lights changing as well. So when the cars do move, move with them, 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 move with them. Keep checking around, keep watching. Anyone there a problem? Do you see these here to the left? Yeah. Do you get where I'm coming from? So, what do we say? 2-car rule, then don't go and make the third one, because you're always risking what you did there. Make sense? Yeah. Take the next left as well, please. So this situation needs to be discussed, but if you notice the road, it's a little busy to do this on the move, so all I'm going to do with the pupil is park them in and talk about it at the side of the road. Good, secure it up. Do you understand that last situation as well?
Yeah.
You sort of knew what you needed to do as well, didn't you? Yeah. What made you sort of like go over that stop line?
I think in like a split second I was like, oh, it's gonna go, but then before like I made my mind up and fully assessed it, I pressed the accelerator. And I was like, no, they're not going, I should have like stayed back.
So if you're unsure, you've already made your decision. Alright. Does that show you the reason why you shouldn't go past that stop line?
Yeah.
Yeah? Going back to that though, did you notice I drew your attention to the cars moving from the left hand side? What should they do with cars in the situation that we were in?
Should they have waited?
What does the green light mean?
Go to see.
And if it's clear, yes. Was it clear for them? No. So what they should do is hold back and allow cars to finish in there. So honestly, that situation shouldn't ever become a problem excuse me, for anyone from any side if everyone's doing the correct things. But there's bits from your perspective that you can do a little bit better, and just be aware of those cars to the left hand side, because you'll always get some, excuse my language, arses going, they've come through, they shouldn't, and then be zooming through. Alright, so you must be aware of those cars on that left hand side in that situation. You okay with that? Alright, cool. When you're ready, drive on again. Off we go. So now this is totally understood, what I'm going to do next is go round the block, go and find another junction and do the same thing again. How do you think the pupil will get on this time? Okay, we're going to turn left onto the dual carriageway, but use lane 2 in the new road because we're shortly turning right. Okay. Nice job. Well done. Well done for listening to the instructions as well. We're going to have a go at a right turn again. It's the same junction, but just from the opposite side.
Okay.
Right. What's your thoughts with this one this time?
Well, there's only one car, so I could probably go past.
Good shout. Do you feel as though you could clear the junction if those lights change? So that's spot on. Nice work. Thought you did really well. Good. Straight on, please. As always, thanks a lot for watching and supporting my channel. It means a lot.